Okay, still heading towards the back of the ship on deck 6. There is the boardwalk. You can kind of see how they actually carved the horses that are on the carousel. I don't know if these are actually how they did it, but kind of some nice piece of artwork. There's a few games on this side, and on the opposite side there is the Boardwalk Doghouse. Here's the carousel here in the middle of the ship. And over here on this side is Sugar Beach. I'm gonna pop in here and show you all the candy that they have. Quite a variety. You can see all the staterooms in the back of the ship. There goes someone on the zip line across. And up there is the Wonderland Bar as well as Dazzles. Over here we have Playmakers, Bar and Lounge. Usually some interesting stuff that happens here. Wing eating contest. Surf Shack, another shopping place over here. Johnny Rockets. Another play area over here on the side for the kids to play in. And here is the Ultimate Abyss where that comes down. And way in the back is where the Aqua Theatre is. If you're gonna watch Hero or Aqua Nation, they have some really excellent Aqua shows. There's always also a lot of movies. Right now they're playing The Grinch, and it looks like they're cleaning the stage of the Aqua show. And back on this side you can see this is where the rock wall is. One on this side, and one over there on that side, on each side of the abyss. Thanks for watching, and make sure you hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video. Also make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next videos I will be posting, and leave your questions, comments, and suggestions below.